For the first time in a century, Idalia was the first major hurricane to hit Florida's Big Bend region. Billboards and buildings were no match for wind gusts up to 120 miles per hour and walls of water. After hitting 4 states in 48 hours, Idalia leaves behind days, weeks, even months worth of damage to repair. And even though this storm is out of our area, Chesley continues to keep an eye on what's left of Idalia.
Yeah, and that storm will continue to pull away, so conditions will get better over toward North Carolina and Virginia for this afternoon. Today, Stone Mountain, good morning to you. Looking at temperature starting off at 68 degrees. We'll have mostly sunny skies to start, but I think a few more clouds will start to roll in. Partly sunny skies will be the call for much of the day, with about a 20% chance for an isolated shower or two to come your way. 85 degrees will be the afternoon high temperature. Pretty comfortable for this time of year. I think more clouds will start to roll in for tomorrow. Temperatures will be even lower before rising up as we head through the Labor Day weekend. More details on that coming up. Crash, over to you.